Now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Light snow may occur Thursday night or Friday in the mountains of northern Georgia. Light snow accumulations, generally less than an inch, may occur. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. The current time is 11:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were taken at 11 a.m. Atlanta, it was partly sunny. 53 degrees, dew point 46, relative humidity 77%. Wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.96 inches and rising. Around Atlanta, Chamblee, it was partly sunny, 51 degrees, wind west at 6 miles an hour. Marietta, it was partly sunny, 50 degrees, wind west at 9 miles an hour. Mableton, it was partly sunny, 51 degrees, wind west at 9 miles an hour. Peachtree City, it was mostly sunny, 52 degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Lawrenceville, it was mostly sunny, 53 degrees, wind northwest at 5 miles. 54 degrees, wind west at 6 miles an hour. Gainesville, it was mostly sunny, 52 degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Macon, it was sunny, 59 degrees, wind variable at 7 miles an hour. Columbus, it was sunny, 53 degrees, wind variable at 3 miles an hour. Birmingham, it was mostly sunny, 49 degrees, wind calm. Rome, fog was reported, 45 degrees. Proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were taken at 11 a.m.